Hi, today we will go to Roipa Cafe and learn how to cook tom yum and pad siu. Tom yum is a spicy soup with seafood or chicken, and pad siu is noodles fried with vegetables and chicken. But it's a very interesting noodle. It's such a white rice noodle. This is one of the best Thai cafe. The food here is very tasty and we often come here for lunch. Today the Swedish chef Vanna will show us the secrets of Thai cuisine. And please be sure to subscribe to our channel.
What tom yum? Seafood? Seafood. Okay. Be careful your nail. Okay. Very thin na. Okay. This for one tom yum, one bowl, yeah, one bowl.
What is this?
Lemongrass. No, madam. Oh. Only leaf. Only this I don't need. And this mushroom. I think Europe don't have, yeah. Your home don't have. You can put any mushroom, yeah. Champignon, everything. Okay. And now we need seafood. Here for tom yum seafood. But when you don't have everything like that, you can put some with olive oil, olive chicken. Up to you, yeah. One tom yum. This. Now we have already. Madam, when you have pot like this, I'll show you. For water, one. Only not too, only one more half, yeah. But one bowl, when you make the big pot, you have to put more thing and more. This chili paste. Chili paste. You know chili paste, yeah? Yeah, okay. This for you little spicy. When you like more spicy, put more. I don't know what name in it. This one. You can buy in every supermarket, yeah. For cake, yeah. This one. Only little bit. Okay. Okay. Put this thing first.
Lemon?
Lemon. Salt fish. Salt fish.
Salt fish?
Fish sauce.
Fish sauce. Oh, okay.
And you have this spoon. Actually, you have to put fish first because. But don't mix, yes. Okay, fish and shell. Don't mix everything. Let for the very. Little spicy. Okay, you need to put more. Okay. Lemon 1 spoon. Fish sauce 1 spoon. And now we put seafood. Okay. Okay. Good.
Little spicy.
Little spicy. Yeah. It's okay, yeah. That's okay. But don't cook too long when you put seafood because after that seafood overcook, it's not good. Okay, you can. kale, yeah. Kale, you. But for pad see ew, you don't like kale, you can put every vegetable, you know, like a cauliflower, carrot, up to you, what you like. Yeah. But it, I have it.
How's it?
Kale. And see. One pad see ew and mushroom when you're home no matter that you can do with champignon, shiitake, everything. For pad see ew you can put every vegetable. Yeah. Chicken, you have to clean first. Yeah. Clean. Clean. Yeah. Okay, chicken clean also. It's fat udon, yeah. Fat udon from pad see ew. But you can buy in the where you from? Last year. They have in the Thai shop, yeah, I think. You can buy in the Thai shop. I think in the Europe they have like a dry, you know, but you can make soft in the hot water or something. But Thailand we have fresh. So much. Chicken, where your chicken? Your chicken, where your chicken? Yeah, you.
อย่าลืมใส่ไข่ครับ
Yeah, you do.
เอาไว้
Yeah, you mix.
ใช่ครับเราไม่บอกเปิดใจเราไม่เปิด
Yeah. And mix.
เต็ม
Do it. Udon. Everything. Yeah, put everything. Okay, meat.
ก่อนนั้นแล้วก็ก่อนไปกันได้
Madam, oyster sauce, meat, madam, meat. Okay. And soy sauce. Meat, madam, meat. Soy sauce.
อยู่มาตัว
Madam. This I don't know name, like I tell you before. Okay. Meat, madam, meat. Pepper, madam. Pepper. Oyster sauce is a bit more. Okay, meat, madam, meat. Meat, your meat.
จับตั้งก็ได้แค่จะตั้งมันหมุน
Okay, okay. Woo!
เพราะว่า
And but when you are home, you don't need to put this the deep fried onion. Deep fried onion to put in the top. But when you don't have, you don't need to put, yeah. And lemon.
เยอะหน่อย
Finish. Okay, madam, take to eat.
Kapun ka. This is still my favorite Japanese noodle.
This is a very tasty tom yum.
Spicy?
Spicy, it's not the right word. Coconuts are my favorite drink on this island. agreed to drink not spicy tom yum. Why don't you tell me anything, huh?
And I have a very tasty, so I have no time to tell, you know? Meal exchange.
You see what a delicious pad see ew here. It's finger-licking good. Pad see ew is not spicy, but the memory of tom yum is fresh. Natasha always said that I eat fast. I think because I'm always hungry. We eat very rare, once a week. I can't help myself.